talk about how to measure someone properly. I have my lovely assistant Anita here today. And we're going to run through this real quick. Yeah, you can, or she's got a black bodysuit on today. So that's going to make, you want the person to be wearing as less bulk as possible. And if you're measuring them for a certain kind of garment, you want to be sure they're wearing the same undergarments that they're going to be wearing on the day of the garment wearing. Okay, now you're going to have them put their arms out. Now watch what's going to happen right now. I've got this set. Now put your arms down. See that change? It changed a whole inch. So you want to be sure they have their arms down. Now this is your bust, your widest part of the chest. When you measure someone's waist, you're going to go right at their navel, not where you wear your pants, because the length of the pants and where the waistline falls changes from year to year. A few years ago, all of our zippers were this short. Now they're this short. So you measure at their waist here at the navel. Hip is always the widest part of their bottom. And that is your basic 3 that will give you good sizing. Inseam goes from the center of their leg to the ankle. Rarely will you need the outer seam, but you would go from the natural waist to the ankle. When you're measuring the arm length, you always want a slight bend. Go from the joint of the shoulder to the elbow, hold your hand there, and then to the wrist. Now there's a term called hem to hollow. This is your hollow right here in your neck. Now, if Anita was getting a floor-length dress, we would measure from here to the ground. And be sure that your person doesn't look down when you're measuring, because that changes the length too. So have them look straight ahead and then do your measurement. And hopefully these were some good tips for you today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.